Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create another local disk laptop. First, we open the File Explorer to review the current disk, S. We will right-click on the Start menu and then open the Disk Management. There, right-click on the main drive and then click on Shrink Volume. Wait for the analysis to complete. Then, set the space that you will have available for the other local disk. When defining it, press Shrink. You will be able to see your created disk, but it will still not be assigned. To make it useful, right-click on the new disk and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next, select the amount of space to use. Now select the desired letter for the new drive. After that, you can assign a name and see the file system that will be implemented. Click Next. To finish, click Finish. You will see your local disk created. When you access the File Explorer again, you will see this disk ready to be used. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.